Travis Martell here with Martell Elite Fitness. Today, we're going to coach you through the single leg foam roller RDL. This is an exercise I like to use to teach an athlete how to push back through their hips one leg at a time. The setup for the exercise is placing the roller on your foot, same side with your hand, you're going to push into your foot with the roller. From here, I'm going to push my hand into the roller, which pushes my foot back, squeeze through, and stand up. From your side, hand on the roller, roller on the foot. I'm pushing back through, squeezing my butt right here, driving up all the way through. Once again, it's pushing back through, squeezing, and driving up. I want to keep my chin tucked so my eyes are down as I go down to that hinge. So as I go down, I'm looking at the ground in front of me, squeezing, standing up all the way through. We've got our athlete to try that exercise. Having the roller where it is will force him to keep pressure between his hand and his foot and allow him to create tension throughout his body. That way he's able to hold and create stability. Otherwise, he'll tip over. So that foam roller provides feedback to make sure that exercise is done correctly. As you can see, he's doing a great job keeping that chin tucked as he goes down. He's looking at the ground, squeezing through that glute as he stands up. Once again, this is an exercise we like to use with our younger athletes to teach them how to hinge properly, especially off one leg.